I think, semiconductor development is the most important factor in the automotive industry, as it's really, the source of differentiation from one brand or one product to another, right? So if you look at the Chinese markets, I've recently read there was a brand that has been including karaoke features in the design, and actually they got bigger market share because of that, right? So this is very truly related to semiconductor design. But in terms of autonomous driving, in terms of safety aspects, I think it's crucial to have be on the edge of semiconductor development. If you look at the volume that you have on semiconductors for the automotive industry, right? We are way below other, commoditative or commercial products, right? Like you could say that there's a lot more iPhones out there on the market than BMWs, right? And so when you look at the capacity, the fab capacity, like going to TSMC or going to Global Foundry, right? It's very difficult actually for the automotive industry, to start off a complete system on chip design. So you might want to break it down into smaller chiplets and reuse designs, and also being able to combine multiple technology nodes, right? So you have a lot of RF technology in a car, you have, memory technology in a car, you have, like edge processors for autonomous driving in a car that you want to combine at, a low volume. And I think the only solution for, combining all that technologies in a low volume is actually doing heterogeneous integration or chiplet designs. I think, the most important aspects for the European automotive industry going forward is the formation of ecosystems, right? So these actually, are mostly being driven by research technology organizations like Imec, like Fraunhofer, like Leti in France. And, any of those projects requires an EDA partner, right? Because you need a platform, a software platform that you can actually develop the ecosystem on, right? And Siemens is happy to be part of initiatives with all those three RTOs, and we're very keen on continuing that relationship and contribute to a European-wide ecosystem for the automotive industry. Well, design for test is important because you're combining silicon of multiple sources, right? So we had the idea of known good dies, but even if you have known good chiplets, you combine them in a whatever architecture on a substrate, it doesn't mean that it's going to work, and it's going to work forever. Reliability is a critical aspect in automotive, right? So you really have to plan your reliability upfront.